Hello and welcome to Safe and Trusted Canada. This video is about how to use the search options as a consumer. As a consumer, you can search for a business name or search by city, province, and phone number on the home page as a consumer. You only need the last 4 digits of a phone number to find a business if it is on our system. The category search functions have automatic drop-downs that populate according to your search criteria. In the first search, we have placed Saskatoon as a city and are looking for roofing contractors. In this video, and at this time, we show 34 listings for roofing contractors in Saskatoon. In the more search options, the consumer can narrow down their search by picking the business credentials that they want the company to have. The owner of the businesses place their credentials in the standard credential area. If they are contractors, they also set their credentials as contractors. It is important to note that any credential listed must be accurate. If the business places credentials in their profile that they do not have, that is a violation of our terms of service for the Safe and Trusted Canada site. The business will have an alert on its business profile for 1 year before archiving the company. Please note, an F rating with Better Business Bureau cannot apply for account status. So here's how it works. Here's the more search options. And this is where the business places their standard credentials and their contractor credentials if they're a contractor. Businesses can be part of the Request eQuote program. They need to have a premium account. How that works is like this. So you place your name, your phone number, email address, details regarding what you're looking for, indicate that you're a human, and then you submit the request. Give as much detail as you can so the business can call you back to set up an appointment. The consumer then selects the company they want to receive a quote from, which is all there is to it. Safe and Trusted Canada vets the request to ensure the business receives requests from actual consumers before sending it out to the company. Thank you for listening to this video and have a great day.